So what I want to do in this last video is discuss what your assignments are for this particular week. So this week, in addition to the readings and these video lectures that you're responsible for, I also want you to watch the YouTube clips on the ethics of organ acquisition that I'm calling the proposition. So you'll find these under the media section on the website. And I want you to pay close attention to these, maybe take notes while you're watching them. And you should be prepared to talk about these YouTube clips in addition to doing the readings for the weekly video conferences. These are the sort of issues that we will be discussing in the video conferences this week. And once you've done this, then you should answer the questions on the next slide for your reading response. But keep in mind that you will also need to answer one of the questions by making a 3 to 5 minute video to be shared with the class. So I'll say a little bit more about that in a moment. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to be able to state your position on the following proposition or the following claim. That claim says, the sale of human organs, such as the kidney, should be legalized. So in other words, is your position that this proposition, this claim is true? Or is your position that this proposition or this claim is false? So in other words, do you think it's true that we should legalize the sale of human organs? Or do you think it's false that we should not legalize the sale of human organs? This is the basic proposition that's being argued for or against in the YouTube clips. So I want you to consider the arguments that are presented in these YouTube clips, as well as the arguments that were presented in the reading and that we've just discussed in these video lectures. And I want you to be able to argue for and defend your own position with regard to this proposition, this claim. So again, you need to be able to state the claim and then give your reasons for your position. And you need to also consider a potential objection and how you would respond to that objection. This is actually a pretty important part of writing your paper, and so it's going to be really good practice with regard to writing your paper. And it's this point, this final point about providing a potential objection to your position and responding to it that I want you to answer in the form of making a video response. So you'll need to make a video of your potential objection and how you respond to it. That video should be no more than 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. And there will be instructions giving you more details on how exactly to do that. So I want you to do that as a part of your weekly reading response. And then you're going to present it to the class. And during our video conferences this week, we will discuss what people have said in the videos that they've posted so that the class can see. And so that's the basic structure of the assignments that I want you to do this week. And as always, of course, please let us know if there's any questions or confusions about what to do, since this is a little bit different than what you've done in the past.